Courtyard House on a steep site, a unique residence standing on a steep slope on the western shore of Mercer Island, United States. This house is a collaboration between Robert Hutchison architecture and Tom Maul architecture and design, with a total building area of 6,500 square feet, completed in 2007. The site where this house is built measures 50 feet by 400 feet, with a steep slope. One of the main challenges in constructing this house was the history of landslides that had previously led to the demolition of several homes in the area. Additionally, neighboring houses standing just a few feet to the north and south added complexity to the design process. Due to strict height limitations imposed by zoning regulations, a significant portion of this residence had to be built below ground level. However, the architects successfully created a design that allows ample natural light and ensures comfortable spatial circulation, allowing residents to enjoy a bright and open atmosphere. This house was designed with three primary objectives. 1. To create a gradual visitor experience upon entering the house by passing through a series of terraces, stairs, bridges, and water features. 2. To maximize natural lighting, especially in the living and dining areas located below ground level. 3. To open the main spaces, such as the dining and living areas, towards views of Lake Washington and outdoor courtyards while maintaining privacy from neighboring houses. The architects designed outdoor spaces and private terraces carved directly into the terrain. This approach not only allows sunlight to penetrate the underground spaces, but also creates a gradual transition from public to private areas. The main entrance to the house is located at the center of the building, following a descending path integrated with various landscape elements. The house consists of three main elements: the underground level, which accommodates utility spaces and additional facilities formed by retaining walls; a floating wooden volume above the site, housing the master bedroom and children's rooms along with their bathrooms; the main living and dining area, located between the two elements, enclosed by glass walls that connect the interior with the courtyard and surrounding views. The primary courtyard is positioned at the main living and dining level. Large glass facades enable unobstructed views toward the lake, creating a harmonious connection between the interior and exterior. This residence features a refined material palette that is both simple and elegant. The exterior walls of the underground level are made of cast-in-place concrete, while the upper walls are clad in custom dark-stained wood siding. The interior adopts a minimalist approach with white-painted gypsum walls and ceilings, complemented by wide plank maple flooring. In the main living areas, contrasting materials add character to the space. Kitchen cabinetry is crafted from dark Wenge wood, enhancing a luxurious feel. A custom fireplace clad in blackened steel introduces an elegant industrial touch. The ceiling in the dining and living areas is finished in white oak, creating a warm ambiance and reinforcing the concept of floating volumes. Courtyard House on a steep site is an exemplary case of how architecture can adapt to challenging topography without compromising comfort and aesthetics. Through the use of tiered terraces, large glass openings, and natural materials, this house successfully transforms site constraints into a unique design advantage. Designed not only as a family residence but also as a speculative property, it offers flexibility for future resale. With a blend of functionality, beauty, and a deep connection to nature, this house serves as an inspiration for anyone looking for design references for sloped terrains. What do you think? Does this house align with your needs and style? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get more home design inspirations from Block 7.